Yesterday we did a little research on the tree octopus. Today what I want you to do under Thursday here, you're going to watch this video of someone reading you the story, but I read it on the internet. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to this link that says Tree Octopus Follow-Up Form. So it's going to have you put your name. It's asking, after checking out the Tree Octopus website and listening to the but I read it on the internet story, do you think the tree octopi are real? And then please explain why you think this. Use details from the website and or the book for support for your answer. Now, one sentence is not going to be enough to completely answer. And you are writing in sentences, so remember, use shift to make capital letters. We don't write in all caps, just the beginning of the sentences or people's names or places. And we want punctuation at the end of our sentences as well. Once you are finished watching the story and you are finished with the follow-up form, then you may go to typing.com or to Prodigy.